Transform a dress form with a simple t-shirt cover. This simple t-shirt cover will allow you to do fabric draping more easily than a typical dress form such as this Dritz My Double dress form. Minimal supplies are needed. Just a t-shirt, about 45 inches of cording, ribbon, or string, one safety pin, a black marker, or you can use draping tape or a dark colored ribbon. Choose a t-shirt that is slightly longer than the dress form. Depending on the size of your dress form, normally a size large or extra large works well. Place the t-shirt on the dress form inside out. Pinch the sides of the t-shirt, placing pins as you go along. Place pins on both sides until you have a smooth, tight fit. Cut 1/2 inch away from pins along the entire length of the shirt. Do this on both sides. Use a zigzag stitch. Stop stitching where the hemline begins. You will see the stop point where the red pin is. Make a small cut at hemline up to the stitch line and notch out the fabric. Repeat this on the other side. Cut approximately 45 inches of ribbon or bias tape or cording or even thick string, whatever you have on hand. On the notched end of the hem, you will notice an opening. Attach a safety pin to the end of your cording or ribbon and feed through the hole. Feed the cording through the entire length of the hem. You now have a drawstring that you can tie, which will keep the t-shirt cover firmly in place on the dress form. The cover is complete if you'd like to have a low neckline. However, if you are draping a design that has a high neck style, the following steps will show you how to create a neck panel. With the t-shirt laying flat, place the extra t-shirt fabric you had cut away from the side on top of the neck. Feeling the neck ribbing with your fingers, make small dots around the whole border of it. Extend the middle section up 5 inches and cut your piece out. Flip t-shirt over and repeat this process, but this time just cutting 4 inches up from the back of the neck. Place the t-shirt back on the dress form. Tuck the front and back neck panels underneath the t-shirt along the neck ribbing and pin in place. Sew front and back neck panels in place, leaving 1/4 inch unsewn from the top and bottom of each piece. Sew the front neck panel side and back neck panel side together. Sew 3 inches. Leaving a small gap open at the top. Place the cover back on the dress form. If the neck panel fits a little tight, feel free to use seam rippers or scissors to open the side seams slightly so that everything lies flat. You have now finished sewing this simple t-shirt cover. Some options for adding dress form lines would be using marker, draping tape, or as pictured here, ribbon that was pinned in place was used.